Okay. I'm pretty sure this is just a test video. Greetings, all Shardvix in here. I'm pretty sure that my desktop audio is still not working, and I'm pretty sure that's the driver problem. But I thought I would take a look at it anyway, so Tiny Glade had some upgrades, so I thought maybe I'd look here and see what was going on. I can't remember how to do this. Okay, that's that. Down. How do you turn around to see? It's this way, but how do I maneuver myself? Oh, that way? This way. No, that's not what I want. But taking my shit out. Taking my shit out. I am so weird about this game. I should be able to turn around. Am I in the wrong thing? I don't want that. Okay, those are the houses. That's the path. This is the extra stuff. This is the color. This is to erase. This is to build, maybe? That's flowers, trees, thing, camera. I don't know what this is. Step back. No. Cancel. Okay, continue. So why can't I turn around and look at my thing better? It feels like you should be able to maneuver yourself around, right? Okay. That's moving that. I want it this way. We'd want it this way because we'd want it to keep the thing. Because how do I get over here? Oh, there we go. I was like, how do I get to my other stuff? So I have other stuff going on. Okay, we could put a window in here. Let's do that window. Ooh. And then we'll put one here. Whee! And then we'll put one there. Whee! Oh wait, I can't have my vine still going there? That one did, but not that one. Okay. And then phew, that moves fast. Whee! On this side. We'll put windows up here. What happened to my tree there? Oh, I don't need that. Okay. Nope. Okay, so I can't edit these because I can't hear anything. I have no way of hearing sound. I just wanted to see if this would record. So now I'm going to call it quits here. Because if I can't hear sound on my games, which won't be a problem for me, but could be a problem for you guys. So, because I can't play music at the moment until I figure out why I'm not getting a desk audio. And it might just be a driver. I'm going to be upgrading my motherboard the next couple days. So, alright. I'm out of here. Peace.